I'm on my way to Mom and Larry's, almost there. It's a very skinny road, but coming here to do Christmas things. Had a pretty good Christmas, I think. Shut up. Got some really cool new hiking boots from Mom and Larry. Zach got me a really cool knife. It's a good time. They're still over there, so I'm checking to make sure T-Bone's still in his pen. Wow, big rats. Maybe they're down here, I hope. Cow. So they knocked over the fence and they're in that far pasture. That was probably T-Bone, let's be real. Well, I was coming up here to feed the animals for Zach, because they're not back yet. They stayed the night at Mom's house. Looks like T-Bone's out again. Would you shut up? Shut up! So yeah, I kind of figured they probably had a lot to do when they get here with the kids and Holly and presents and stuff. You're going to the slaughterhouse, man. Yeah, you're done. You're real done. You're gonna be steak. Figured I'd go ahead and feed for him, because he probably doesn't want to have to deal with that. He's gonna have enough to do. Y'all hungry, huh? Rusty barks at the cow, because that's just what he does. Looks like somebody knocked over the dog food. That's cute. Man, he went to town in here. Knocked those over. Yeah, he just had himself a little party. Yeah, he's real done. Come on, Daddy. Butter? No. No butter. No butter. You're not getting dog food. Nope. Nope. Be good, Dolly. Oh, look who it is. T-Bone decided he wanted to eat. Yeah, too bad. You ain't getting nothing, dude. Getting nothing. You're not getting anything. I hope you enjoyed your time outside, because you're not getting any food. Not even a little bit. Don't even worry about it. Yeah. Now you can get mad all you want. So he basically just broke this hole. The bottom's just stuck in the ground. And you're a good cow, and you're a good cow. T-Bone's done. You guys don't like him anyway, right? So you might remember from a previous video, look at these turns, that abandoned mining place called Blue Heron in Big South Fork. Going back, doing the Blue Heron Trail. It's on the other side of the river, and supposedly there are some good overlooks. There's also a fair bit of climbing involved. Now I gotta find out which way I gotta go. It's a loop trail, so there is that. It's a sand house, if you remember that. Big vent fan thing. And here's the closed off mine. And when they don't let you go in, which sucks, because I want to go in. Get that temperature drop like immediately. Yep, still want to go in. And apparently this is where Blue Heron Loop starts. Completely different from where we were before. Opposite side of the river. So apparently there's some pretty good overlooks on this trail. Guess we'll find out. Look at that. Used to be a structure there. Piping, rebar, concrete foundation supports, some kind of tank. That's old. It's got rivets. This old pipe. Going up here. It's off the trail, but let's see. This might be a cave, or at least a rock shelter. There it is again. Stops right there. Maybe it was for water. There's an old screen door down there. It might actually be part of a cave. I think it is. There's water coming out of it. I bet that pipe funnels water into that tank we saw over there. It's like some kind of fresh water system or something. We're already above that bridge. You can see it through the trees. There's the river down there. I think we got all the hard climbing out of the way at the beginning. Oh, I hope we go on top of that. Check out that huge freaking rock. That is cool. I want to go on top. And it looks like we're going in between it. Wow. Freaking ladder. Wow, check that out. These rocks are massive, man. Well, I guess we didn't get to go on top of it, but we get to go through it. At least there's that. Cracks in the rocks. Good name for it. Man, it's a big freaking rock though. That's crazy. Here we go. Big stairs. All right. Let's do it. Wow. Straight up. Now those are stairs. Yeah. That's how you do stairs right there. You just gained a lot of elevation. Blue Heron, that's our trail right there. But Blue Heron overlook 0.2 miles. We're going there. I think we're at the top finally, at least. I think it overlooks up here. But yeah, it's definitely at the top of everything here. Just intersected a paved trail. Must be one hell of an overlook. Yep, looks like it's a good one. Whoa. Freaking railings. Hate railings. So I think the last time we were here, we were hiking over that way. One of those rocks was that overlook. This one's way better. And you can see this from over there. Would like to get on that rock. The one way over there. That would be cool. Very cool overlook, but we very definitely need to get moving. They even put a fence around it. Can't even get near the edge there. They must have known I was coming, right? Back on our trail. There's the overlook. See, why you gotta put a railing up and even that far down. I like being up high. I really do. Gonna have to go down at some point. Not really sure when that's gonna be. Big old rock shelter out of nowhere. Yo. Probably have a few more of those, because these cliffs keep going for a minute, it looks like. There's a road there. It's either the road we came in on or the road to the overlook parking for that, you know, paved trail. Okay. Why is this paved? I guess they wanted to just give them an easy one, easy section where you could park and walk, I guess. I don't know. Or maybe we're headed somewhere. Right, that's our trail. But this goes somewhere. I thought I saw a structure through the trees, and I was right. Oh, look at this walkway. Oh wow. Look at that river, man. That's crazy. Well, I guess we're gonna put a fence up. That's a pretty good spot because rock looks like it kind of curves off into nothing. That's cool though. But that'd be fun to kayak. And there's the overlook over there where we were. Very awesome overlook. Maybe we'll get one more of those, but I kind of doubt it. Looks like the trail gets pretty rustic from here. No more paved, at least. All right, Blue Heron Loop. Regular trail. Thank God. Nice and flat now that we're on the top. Still following that road, too. Kind of curve away from that at some point here soon, I think. That is definitely the road I came in on, though. Stairs to the road. Probably because of this right here. I think this is the trail. Apparently this is not the trail. I gotta go up the stairs and follow the road, I guess. Hey, what's that tag say? BISO 557. No idea what that means. Oh yeah. Yep, this is the trail. Interesting. Gotta love those stairs. Gotta love them. It's a safety zone, so we're super safe. Can't you tell? Doesn't it look a lot different from, you know, the danger zone? It's one of the cabins they rent, I guess. Looks like it. Yeah, that is where the rangers stay. Like when they're on duty or whatever. Maybe that's why it's a safety zone, because the experts are here. Pretty cool view. Oh, we got a sign. Lower branch, 0.9 miles. Blue Heron, 2.8. So we got 2.8 left to go. Blue Heron campground, 0.6. Yeah, we're over halfway. 3.4 to Blue Heron that way. Just over halfway. And it's, I don't know what time it is. The watch is on activity. It's sometime during the day. And we're starting the down. It looks like All Trails did say that people usually walk it the other way around than I did, but you know me, they gotta be difficult. Very cool. Drop shelter here.
decision got you wishing you could say nah. I said the gritty, you could get hit any day now. On my mama, I'ma move out anyway.
Which way we gotta go? Left one. Yeah. Although they basically go to the same place. A little waterfall down there. Cascades and stuff. Came down pretty quick at the end there. There's the river. We're now at river level. Looks deep. It's dammed up over there. Somebody camped here. Good camping spot. A little rocky through here. This trail's kind of got it all. I like this trail. Rivers, creeks, overlooks, high altitude, low altitude, rocks, rock shelter. You know what it didn't have though? It didn't have a whole lot of cliffs that I could stand too close to. That's regretful. That was that other trail, the middle one. Nice. Even got a waterfall, man. Look at that. Crazy. Good trail. Oh, nice and cool. I'm freaking hot. Look how far up it goes though. Falling way up there. It's more of a cascade really, but freaking government, man. Yep, they barred it off. Looks really cool too. Waste of a good cave. Safety first, remember. You know, I don't know what I'd do if the government wasn't here to take care of me. Probably die, right? Or might have too much fun. Somehow that's worse for the government. They don't want you to have too much fun now. Settle down. Another barred off cave. Probably found one, honestly. Man, that's cool. I want to go in there so bad. Maybe it was a mine. It's possible. Yeah, it's like a whole coal vein right here. Yeah, that's coal. Coming right out of the ground. Pyramid rock. That's what we're gonna call that. Good view of the river from here. I could definitely kayak this. Well, there you have it, y'all. 7.2 miles. Not bad. My feet feel like it. Thank God I had these new boots. Mom got me these boots for Christmas. They're made by a company called Rock Rooster. One of the best pairs of boots I've ever owned. Like immediately when I put them on, they fit. It was weird. Like there was no break-in time or anything. So my feet hurt, but I don't care. I want to go get a 360 video on that bridge so that I can post that today. Obviously this video won't be posted today. It'll be a couple days, but the 360 video, I can post that today. Well, yeah, there you go. There's the Blue Heron Trail. Yeah, lapped my daily goal twice. Goal times 2. Good trail though. My legs and my feet hurt. Yeah, they hurt. So it's safe to assume that most people that are swayed by requests are already doing it. So I think in order to get the most coverage possible, unfortunately, I have to issue a direct order. Like, subscribe, comment. This is not a request.